I can definitely tell that women are not safe in today's society.
That's all for today. We can conclude that a woman is woman's biggest enemy.
सोच का दायरा अगर उस जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल हमारी दादी जी का दादी जी खड़ी हो, दादी जी के लिए तालियां. As always, sit down. She is able to get into that act or role.
First question I would like to ask from the Chief Minister. Sir, what are the safety measures taken by you for the safety of the women?
According to me, police is available for women 24/7 on duty. Strict actions are taken towards safety of women. Women helpline number are provided everywhere.
What do you think that are these things implement on the real life?
No, I don't think so. Even after taking all these measures, they are not much useful. We see on an average day women are being harassed and the amount of cases are just increasing day by day.
Gupta, in your life experience till now?
I have been a doctor in AIMS hospital for nearly 5 years. I have witnessed that the parents do not seem as happy when they hear congratulations, it's a girl, as they do when hearing it's boy.
Although,
So,
I
the
think-
debate goes on forever. I will meet you in the next episode. Thank you for today.
girl is that wait, please listen to me. You are saying that when you get married, your husband support you. If a girl is not supported by someone or her family or her husband, how can she come up with to be in infantry or in army? She will be lower down.
I already said that they have to stand for their own self. And if they have standard and their family is allowing them, then they have the power. So, see, you are saying that a girl is weak emotionally, mentally, physically. But why do you think so that a woman is handling their family, their child? She is handling her whole family.
She is sensitive because she thinks from her heart, not her brain.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am your anchor Ananya, and today we are going to have a conversation on the topic society not being friendly to women needs. The main motive to take this topic is to aware all about women needs such as menstrual problems. As we all know that in India, this problem is not being taken into consideration. So, with the help of this panel discussion, we are going to showcase this problem. Here we have the representative Himanshi, her mother Alina, grandmother Yushra, and advisor from Doon NGO.
Sir, how can you say that? India is a democratic country and everyone has the right to vote and contest elections.
As per my advice, like everyone one should had a flexible attitude to just survive in the environment, and I guess women are physically, mentally weak than male dominance in this country.